The future of finance on Passive's innovative approach. In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, staying ahead in the financial game requires innovative solutions. OnPassive is at the forefront of this revolution, offering a unique approach to achieving financial success. In today's fast-paced world, everyone wants financial freedom, but the old ways of working long hours for a paycheck are tiring. People are looking for smarter ways to achieve their financial goals without sacrificing their personal lives. The traditional 9-to-5 grind is no longer the only path to success. OnPassive offers a new path. It's a platform built on technology and smart business tools. By leveraging artificial intelligence and automation, OnPassive provides its members with the resources they need to succeed in the digital age. This innovative platform is designed to simplify complex business processes and make them more efficient. OnPassive is not about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth. The platform focuses on sustainable growth and financial stability, helping its members create a secure future for themselves and their families. It's about making smart investments and leveraging technology to achieve lasting success. The platform uses automation and online marketing strategies. These tools are designed to streamline business operations and maximize efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, OnPassive allows its members to focus on what truly matters, growing their business and achieving their financial goals. These strategies work together to generate income for its members. OnPassive's comprehensive approach ensures that every aspect of the business is optimized for success. From marketing to financial planning, the platform provides a holistic solution for achieving financial freedom. It's like having a business that runs itself even while you sleep. With OnPassive, you can enjoy the benefits of a thriving business without the constant stress and effort. The platform's automated systems work around the clock, ensuring that your business continues to grow and generate income, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms. But before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Automating success: how OnPassive makes money while you sleep. Time is money. In today's fast-paced world, every second counts. Imagine a system that works tirelessly for you, even when you're not actively engaged. Traditional businesses take up so much of it. The constant grind, the endless paperwork, and the stress of managing everything can be overwhelming. OnPassive uses automation to change that. By leveraging advanced AI and machine learning, it streamlines your business operations. Think of it like this. Instead of you doing all the work, the platform does it for you. It's like having a team of experts working around the clock. This means things like finding customers, marketing products, and managing your online presence are all handled seamlessly. And processing payments are all handled automatically. No more manual tracking or worrying about missed transactions. This frees up your time so you can focus on other things. Whether it's strategizing for future growth or simply taking a well-deserved break, you can spend more time with family or pursue your passions. Imagine the possibilities when you're not bogged down by daily tasks. All while OnPassive works behind the scenes to build your wealth. It's the future of business today. Let OnPassive take care of the details so you can focus on what truly matters. The power of passive income. Building wealth effortlessly. Most people rely on their job for income. They trade their time and effort for a paycheck, often feeling stuck in the daily grind. But what if you could earn money even without working? Imagine receiving checks in the mail or seeing your bank account grow while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. It's like having a tree that grows money, providing you with financial fruits without constant effort. OnPassive excels at creating passive income streams for its members. By leveraging advanced technology and innovative strategies through its online business platform and marketing tools, OnPassive provides you with the resources to generate income effortlessly. OnPassive generates income that flows directly to you. You receive notifications of money transfers and your financial health improves steadily. It's like planting a money tree and watching it grow. With time and minimal effort, your financial tree flourishes, providing you with a steady stream of income. This means you can achieve financial freedom without being tied to a traditional job. You can spend more time with your family, travel, or pursue your passions. It's about building a secure future for you and your loved ones. With OnPassive, you can ensure that your financial future is bright and secure, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to live life on your terms. One of the most powerful aspects of OnPassive is its scalability. This means your earning potential can grow exponentially over time. As more people join the platform, the network expands and so does your income. OnPassive provides all the tools and resources you need to scale your income. From marketing materials to training programs, everything is designed to help you succeed. This means your financial future is in your hands, with the potential to earn more than you ever thought possible. OnPassive offers a unique opportunity to achieve financial freedom. With its automated systems, passive income streams, and scalable platform, it's a game changer in the world of finance. Don't wait for the right time, because the right time is now. Take control of your financial future and explore the possibilities with OnPassive. It's time to break free from the old ways of working and embrace a future filled with wealth, freedom, and endless possibilities. For more information about OnPassive and how to make money from home online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.